Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining. My name is Akito Namoto, and I am a solution engineer with Oracle Hospitality. Today, I'm excited to take a journey with you through the housekeeping and maintenance areas of Opera Cloud, which in the past may have been taken a back seat, but now are the forefront in ensuring exceptional guest experiences. As the hospitality industry continues to change and adapt, Opera Cloud is adapting with it. Much of the focus on a guest stay is now centered around cleanliness. Not only enhance cleaning practices to attract guests, but also continuing those practices throughout the stay to ensure guests feel safe so they return. Keeping in mind that at many times this requires doing more with less. So having a PMS that provides efficient housekeeping and maintenance features is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Rest assured, Oracle Hospitality is here to help. Let's go ahead and touch on a couple ways that Opera Cloud will help your housekeeping and maintenance teams run more efficiently while ensuring you're meeting guest needs and requests, which help grows your guest satisfaction. Let's start with innovation. We are continuing to enhance our application every day with new innovation. Much of that innovation is focused on helping you adapt to ever-changing environments and giving our customers the tools they need to do more with sometimes less staff. Let's take, for example, the automation of task sheets with task sheet templates, real-time updates of room statuses, ease of tracking room attendance, and a console showing actual time spent servicing rooms. Next, we move on to mobility. With Opera Cloud being device and browser agnostic, that means you can set your staff free of being tied to a desk to review data or make updates. Imagine your engineering team accessing the maintenance log form from a mobile device, being able to promptly action on those service requests when they come in and mark rooms as completed without the need of phone down to the housekeeping supervisor or front desk. All of this is possible and more with built-in mobility. We will now begin our journey by taking the role of Linda, who is a housekeeping manager. Having quick access to task sheets, room status updates, and full visibility of my staff is key to ensuring rooms are serviced efficiently so that I can focus on other tasks at hand. My day begins with generating the housekeeping task sheets for my attendants before they arrive. Task sheet templates provide a quick and efficient way to create task sheets by applying customizable default settings such as the attendants working on a specific day of the week and room statuses to be included. As my staff is currently limited, this is an important feature in knowing when they are available, as well as limiting any manual steps in assigning task sheets individually, which is a huge time saver for me. Additionally, I can add important cleaning instructions such as heavy duty dusting or focusing on high touch areas. All instructions such as heavy dusting or focusing on high touch areas are all critical in ensuring guests receive the utmost service and feel safe during their stay. After applying the template and any additional details, task sheets are automatically generated even amongst my attendants. As changes occur throughout the day, that can affect the housekeeping task sheet, such as guests extending their stay or checking out early. Being able to make quick, real-time updates ensures guest rooms are serviced in a timely manner, and early check-in requests can be accommodated by prioritizing rooms as needed. In the unfortunate event that one of my attendants need to go home unexpectedly, rooms can easily be shifted from one task sheet to another using simple drag and drop functionality. And room statuses can be updated with a simple click of a mouse. This is all achievable from one consolidated intuitive screen in Opera Cloud. With visual cues, such as the duster icon shown here, I know exactly which rooms are currently being serviced. There is no longer a need to spend time tracking down my attendants in case I need to communicate with them. And I can ensure They are cleaning rooms in the prioritized order. And when an attendant goes on break, the coffee mug icon displays next to the attendant's name, so I have full accountability of my attendance at all times. Having this information at my fingertips means I can be more efficient and focus on their tasks. The attendance console enables me to evaluate the time it takes for attendants to clean a room, percentage of tasks completed, and total completed number of credits and relative location of a housekeeping attendant. So this not only provides valuable insight, but it also helps me to plan in staffing. By calculating the time spent to service rooms, I can accurately plan for how many attendants are required on any given day. The information found here is gathered from the task sheet companion, which attendants can access from a tablet or mobile device to keep track of their sheets and room cleaning statuses, which brings me to our next topic, mobility. For this, we'll step into the role of the staff, starting with Mary, a room attendant, and then moving on to George on the engineering team. With Opera Cloud's mobility capabilities, the mobile optimized view allows Mary, a housekeeping room attendant, to view her task sheets from any device in a way that is easier to see and navigate. From the task sheet companion, I can easily access my list of rooms to service, see real-time updates as they occur, task and/or room instructions left by my supervisor, as well as view important information that I may need to action on, such as traces. For example, if a guest has requested a rollaway bed, that information is readily available to me, and once I've completed that task, this is also reflected to the front office staff. With the appropriate user granted, I can also see limited reservation details, such as any special requests, all important in ensuring guest satisfaction. And if I mistakenly took too few towels on my cart this morning, I can use the Request Assist link, enter details, and this is shown onto the housekeeping supervisor and manager, saving me valuable time and not having to stop serving the room I'm in to visit, the linen closet or laundry area downstairs. Additionally, I can quickly view a list of all my rooms filtered by room statuses and change them to appropriate status when needed. Now we move to George. As a member of the engineering team, the maintenance feature included in Opera Cloud enables him to tackle any task. George's daily focus is to ensure all rooms are available for guests, which helps the property maximize occupancy at all times. With convenient access to the maintenance log from my mobile device, I have quick reference to any pending or completed task. This not only saves valuable time and not having to print out multiple reports during the day, but also means I can update rooms as resolved as soon as that task is completed. Now, this is not only critical in ensuring the front office team has their rooms in a timely manner for arriving guests, but also ensuring any guest room issues are resolved quickly for guests in-house. It also allows me to recognize any trends with specific rooms. For example, if a shower leak in room 1103 has occurred multiple times this month, I may need to investigate further as to why this continues to happen. Additionally, I have full history of which maintenance requests were completed by each team member. With over 300 plus reports out of the box, our housekeeping and maintenance teams have convenient access to data when the need arrives to print or email reports. Report groups for housekeeping and maintenance offer an organized way of finding targeted reports, such as the facility forecast. This popular report displays a 5-day forecast summary for the property and includes number of arrivals, stayovers, departures, adults, and children. Also displayed is a breakdown of the facility task, as well as the total number of items needed to be completed for the selected days. Critical elements in ensuring staffing is properly aligned based on occupancy levels. And let's not forget that scheduled reports allow for reports to be scheduled and granted without staff intervention. I hope you have found this session helpful in showcasing how the intuitive housekeeping and maintenance features in Opera Cloud allow you and your staff to grow with ever-changing times, while still ensuring you're satisfying guest needs in an efficient way. Thank you again for joining, and have a great day.